Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is welcome to another episode where I'm going to be taking you through the journey of how to cut a simple pencil skirt. So this is my pattern paper. I want you to mind the way my pattern paper is. This is just going to be serving as an illustration. And now I'm going to be needing my tape rule, my ruler, my marker and my scissors. So right now you are just going to fold your material. You can actually use any material to sew your skirt. It depends on what you want. So this my pattern paper. I folded it into two. So as a beginner, you just fold your material into two. You fold it into two. So after folding it into two, then it depends on the measurement you want. This is just an example. I'm just using this as an illustration. I hope you understand. So it is required that your clothes is going to be bigger. So you are going to measure from your waist to your length, the length of your skirt. Do you want a short skirt? Do you want a long skirt? You're going to measure from your waist to where you want your skirt to stop. I hope you guys understand. So now I'm just going to be using this as an illustration. So now I'm going to measure my waist. So my waist is going to be 12 divided by 2 is going to give me 6. So you divide all your measurements by 2. So this 6. Then I'm going to add 2 inches. We can as well add 1.5 inches. So this 2 inches here. So this is my waist. We are going to write it waist so that you can understand. And now you are going to measure from your from the band of your skirt to your hip line, So now I'm assuming that my hip line is just 5. It's going to serve as HL, which is the hip line. So then you are going to rule this straight. So then after that, you are going to measure the length of your skirt. So I want you to know that here, if you want to add a band to your skirt, you are going to leave 2 inches if you want to add a band. But because this is an illustration, but if you are not adding a band and you want to fold your skirt, you are going to add it to your initial measurement. That means you are going to be adding 1.5 or 2 inches to fold here. I hope you understand. To fold here and fold at the down part, or you leave 2 up, which is going to serve as your band. Then you add your band. I hope you understand. So right now, I'm going to be adding my band. So I'm leaving 2 inches up. Then my length is 9.5. You add 1 inches allowance to fold. So now I'm adding band. This is going to serve as my length, and this is going to serve as my allowance. So right now, this is my waist, which is 12 divided by 2, 6 plus 2 inches allowance. Then my hips is 34. 34 divided by 2 is going to give me, so my hip is going to be 8.5. You divide any measurement into 4. Then you add your allowance, maybe 1 inches or 1.5. You add it. Then your length. So here you are going to, that your hip is 8. Here you are going to reduce it to 7 because it's a pencil skirt. Then you add like just 1 inches here. Now this a pencil skirt is going to cuff here. It depends on how tight you want your skirt to be. So now this is my skirt. Then I'm going to be cutting it. So right now, this is my pencil skirt. So I'm going to teach you how I arrived at this. So then after running, you can see that this place is cuff. Then you come here. This my waist. This is my dart. This is a dart. So now, for that my waist is 24 divided by 2. making 6. So for waist 24 to waist 28, you can use like 3 inches. From waist 29 to 30, you can use 3.5. From waist 40 something and above, you can use 4.5 or 4 inches. So now you are going to come here to this waist 24, which is 3 inches. So I'm going to show you this 3 inches here. 3 inches. Then I marked it. I already done the illustration. Then I marked it. Then I measured where I want the length of my dart to stop. So this 4, I want to stop at 4. Then you measure 0.5 inches in, 0.5 inches out here. 0.5 inches. Then you are going to take your ruler, you rule it from where you want it to start at. So this is my dart. I hope you understand. Then you are going to place it at your back. So this is the back of my pattern. Then this is the allowance for the zip. This is the allowance for the zip, and you place it like this. So this is going to serve for the zip, and you are also going to notch it. You will notch it here, or you are going to cut it. You can see that, so that you'll be able to fold it for the dart. I hope you understand. So guys, that's all about my straight skirt. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. Until the next time, I remain your girl artist. Bye.